Hi family and friends, how are you doing? Yeah, another beautiful day here in the tropics. Another beautiful day here in Jamaica, land we love. Yeah man, no problem. Nice, look at the sky. Really nice day, really nice day. So I was in another chill spot the other day and I saw a bird on the, just chilling on the river. And on one side of the bird, water seemed a little rough, and on the other side, it's very calm. And I'm looking at the bird and I'm saying, he's not disturbed by what is going on. It's well focused, and it is all about me taking the time out to just chill. Just taking the time out to chill. And it's so beautiful to do that. It is so wonderful to just, regardless of the chaos that's going on around us, we just take the time out and focus inwards and just chill. Pull out that inward strength, that inner strength, to get going, to take care of the next day, or even to continue this particular day, depending on our circumstances. Just chill. So much we can do for ourselves as it relates to relaxation. Let us help ourselves, because sometimes we're paying thousands and thousands of dollars to see psychologists and counselors and so many. Take the time out and relax, chill. We owe it to ourselves. All right? Let's take a moment, just a few seconds, and watch this video. Talk about introspection, self-awareness. Yeah, there's the bird, gathering inner strength to face life's challenges. That's really a powerful reminder for us to take time to reflect. Yeah, man, clear our minds and focus on our inner selves. Deal with all that's happening around us. You notice how one side is so calm and the other side, just not as calm. And yet the bird is okay, It's like it doesn't care what's happening on one side or the other. Whether one side is deeper than the other or the reason what is happening. Doesn't care. You see that? Yeah. Well focused, don't you think? What are your thoughts though? What do you think about all this? What can you add? Yeah, man, thank you so much for always supporting me, giving a thumbs up, subscribing, commenting. You tell me how you feel about these videos and if they're making a difference in your lives. All right, share the video so you can make a difference in the lives of others as well. This is actually part of my journey. This is the reason why in the past I've taken children, taking care of them, and they're not mine and all of that, because it's all about making a positive difference. So if we can do that, yeah, man, let's take the time out to do that. Thank you so much. And this is Grandma saying, yeah, man, be extremely good. And I am out of here. See you in the next video.